Aloha from the island of Oahu in Hawaii, and the Honolulu Skyline rail system. The Honolulu Skyline runs on the western side of Honolulu. The first phase on the western end, between Kualakahi and Halawa, opened in 2023. The second phase between Halawa and Kahauwiki opened just over a month before this was filmed in October 2025. We'll start at the Kahauwiki station for an eastbound arrival. This is one of the new stations that opened as part of Phase 2 in October 2025. Almost the entire system is elevated across its 16-mile route. The Skyline is an automated operation using 4-car Hitachi Rail driverless metro trains.
Track 1, train to Aloha, East LA.
Currently, the system operates with 10-minute headways for the majority of the day, with 15-minute headways in the late evenings. Operating hours are from 4 a.m. to 10:30 p.m., providing a 5.5-hour window overnight for maintenance. The Ahua station here is located on the east side of the Honolulu International Airport. You can see one of UPS's grounded MD-11 planes parked in the distance here. All of the platforms utilize platform edge doors, which provide for a safer operation with the automated nature of the system, but do limit photographic opportunities. Now at the Pohala station, where a meet occurred just west of the station. The precision of the automated operations mean meets happen in the exact same spot every time.
Track 2, train to Kahauwiki, Middle Street, Hawaii Transit Center.
Now on the west end of the system at Kualakahi.
Track 1, train to Aloha Stadium Station. Doors will open on the right side.
Being a driverless system, filming out the front window of the trains is possible. Here's a me, your Kalauau. Here is passing by the Rail Operations Center, which is where the trains are maintained, track maintenance is based, and automated operations monitored from.
Please hold on. The next stop is Honolulu Leeward Community College.
The Halaulani station is next to it.
Arriving at Honolulu Leeward Community College Station. Doors will open.
The line runs on the edge of Honolulu International Airport and provides some unique plane spotting opportunities of Hawaiian Airlines Terminal 1. And because it's not a true roaming Railfan video if I don't cover some construction if it's going on, here's a look at some of the initial work that has begun on Phase 3 of the system. This expansion will extend it 3.3 miles east from Kahauiki to closer to downtown. We are driving along Nimitz Highway here, which the line will utilize the median of for part of the expansion. The median is already filling up with equipment and materials. This segment will be constructed differently from the rest of the system in an attempt to lower costs by using girder beams rather than the precast concrete box girder bridge segments of the previous segments. Work began in August 2025 for utility relocations, and as you can see here, rebar cages are being assembled and cranes are on site to begin building the piers. Here at this river crossing, a temporary work trestle is being assembled for construction. As of publishing, this third phase is scheduled to be completed in 2031. Because of the excellent view from the front windows, I did record a complete ride in both directions, which I will release as a future video and link above and in the description when available. Mahalo for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.